Hi, this is Jennifer with Dr. Pamela Marzban in the office with your Dental Minute. I'm here to talk to you about flossing. I know everybody's favorite thing in the world to do. The trick is to find a time of day that works for you. So if you're not a night person, don't try and do it at night before you go to bed. So even if it's in the middle of the day, even if you eat again later, that's okay, because flossing is about removing or disturbing the bacteria that's in between the teeth where your toothbrush can't reach. So really the time of day isn't so important as that you're consistently doing it once a day. Whether you use the water pick, whether it's easier for you to use the floss holders, the soft picks, the little brushes that go in between the teeth, the proxa brushes, any of those tools work wonderfully as long as you're consistent with them and you're going down and you're making sure you wipe on each side of the tooth and going underneath the gum. Those are all things that will make your flossing technique easier and more effective. And if it's easier to, sometimes it's helpful just to floss first before you brush. That's just to help establish the habit. But there's no really specific time that you need to do it or any specific order that you need to do it in. So I hope this helps you, and feel free to contact us if you have any other questions.